Hey guys, how's it going? So this is a pre-recorded video. As when you're watching this video, obviously you already watched my first video of the unboxing and then my second video of three people reviewing the drinks that I showed off in the unboxing. And as you can see from the reaction, nobody has tried it. And you can see from the reaction that nobody liked it. Nobody likes any of the drinks out of the three people that reviewed it for Canopy drink. So that's why, that's why I think Canopy's drinks is going to fail. I could be wrong. There might be some people out there that like these drinks and are willing to pay $4.50 for 2 milligrams of these beverages. It's kind of expensive for 2 milligrams. I would, rather put in another $3 and get 5 gummies instead of a drink that tastes horrible. If it wasn't, the only one that I really liked was the ginger because it has sugar in it. But some people didn't like it, so I believe it's called Baker Street and Ginger. That's the only one that I kind of like. Would I buy it again? Probably not. But I did like the taste of it because it had sugar in it. But all the other drinks that didn't have sugar in it, it tastes horrible, in my opinion. I think Canopy is trying to cater to is the people who drink alcohol, drink beer. That's why they're making these drinks taste similar to beer. But, I personally don't like it. That's my opinion. And I think it tastes I wouldn't buy it again. I seriously wouldn't buy it again. And that's just my opinion. And I think overall Canopy's drink is going to fail. It's going to fail. The only company that would get away with drinks would be Coke, because they have a good brand and Cokes, they taste good. So it has a lot of sugar, yeah, but it tastes good. So, Coke is the only one. At least they could have made their drinks taste better. I honestly don't think the drinks taste sweet. I don't think the drinks taste that good. So I'm a little disappointed in that. Just because I don't like a drink doesn't mean other people don't. Like this guy who does his own channel, he did his review and he gave it a 7.5 out of 10. I literally would give it a 3 out of 10. Maybe some of them even a 1 out of 10. I had to force myself to drink one of them. I would say ginger, I would give it 7. But everything else, I would give it 2 and 1 out of 10. Because I personally do not like it. And that's my opinion. And so same with my friends. My 2 other friends, they don't own any stock in Canopy. They're not biased. They just drink it and they just decide if they like it or not. And both of them will never buy a beverage from Canopy. At least those 2. Deep Space might be a different story. We don't know. Deep Space might be good, but I still need to review it. So if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate a subscribe. If you ran across my video and even if you never watch a single video again, I would appreciate a subscribe, because one day I want to get that silver play button. Just as an achievement. It'll feel great just to get it. And if we look at Canopy growth, it has 242,000 investors on Robinhood. So it's slower than Hexo, not as much as Aurora. That Canopy, I think Canopy's brand is not super strong, in my opinion. Else Canopy would be way above the list, be the number 1 MJ company on this list, but they're not. So I honestly think Canopy doesn't have that strong of a branding, and just 249,000 is not. Hexo is beating it, but Hexo is a dollar stock, so I kind of understand that. Moving forward, so Canopy growth Q3 conference call. I have something I want to share with you in this video, which I think they made a big mistake on.
Expanded our chocolate offerings and now have 4 SKUs in the market. and we doubled chocolate production capacity last quarter.
That I don't like to hear that they double their chocolate production. That's really bad. Canopy's chocolates. Personally, I tried them all. I tried every one that came out, anyways, and it's okay. I mean, I can eat it, but if I had to pick between gummies and chocolates, I would pick gummies over. I would pick gummies any day over chocolate, and I honestly don't think Canopy's chocolates do very well. I don't think chocolates in general sell very well. A lot of people are making chocolates, but I'm just looking at the market itself. Chocolates seem to stay on the store shelves longer than gummies. Gummies disappear real fast. Chocolates don't. They do sell, but they don't sell as much as gummies, and Canopy screwed up by increasing the production of chocolate because there's so much competition when it comes to chocolate. And I think Canopy is gonna, chocolate is going to go bad if it doesn't. Chocolate can't just sit there on store shelves for a whole year, and especially if they have a lot of production. I think some of Canopy's chocolate is gonna sit there for a whole year, and I think next year they're gonna end up destroying these chocolates because they can't sell old chocolates to people, can they? I mean, chocolates have to expire at some point, and there's a packaging date on all the chocolates. So if you went into the store and in 2021 and you bought some chocolates and it was packaged all the way in like January of 2020, you wouldn't be too happy about that. A whole year of just sitting on store shelves, that must be really stale old chocolate. And I think I think at a certain point, Canopy is going to end up destroying a bunch of inventory because they can't sell it. My opinion only. Drinks, maybe not. Drinks might last a little longer. You can leave a drink for a couple years, but chocolate is going to just after a year, I think it's going to be bad. And they double their production on chocolate. Instead of making new products like gummies, they went for chocolates, which don't even sell that well, in my opinion. Some people might argue and tell me that chocolates sell like hotcakes, but just from my own personal research, they don't. They don't sell like hotcakes. So, again, my opinion. And right now, the best chocolate in the game is from Aurora. These caramel half spears are really good, but they're really expensive, so it prevents them from selling. These Aurora caramel chocolates are better than Canopy, but one of the best chocolates in the game right now is probably Oxley, the caramel chocolate in the bag, because it's sealed in the bag. It keeps its moisture and it tastes really good. But these chocolates are I still rate these chocolate as number 1, and then the Oxley number 2, and Aurora's these ones are third. That's my rank for chocolates in the 3. So even if all my videos talk negatively about Canopy's drinks, I think that the drinks are a big mistake. I think Canopy's gonna have extremely hard time to sell those drinks, and they have a whole I couldn't find the video again, but I wanted to show you guys. But I ran across a video where they had a warehouse full of MJ drinks, just pallets and forklifts moving these MJ drinks around. So it's insane how many drinks they have, and I think that some of those drinks are going to be sitting on storage in the warehouse for years and years, and in store shelves for years and years, because they're not going to sell. That's just the simple, plain fact of it. Nobody is going to go buy these drinks. They taste bad. But again, this is my opinion. The general public will vote with their wallet. If the general public likes it, this is my opinion, my friend's opinion, and they have no stake in Canopy, so they're really that interested in the stock market anyway. So it doesn't even matter. They just drinking it and giving their review, and they don't like it. I don't like it. nobody really likes it. So yeah, Bruce Linton, he failed so many times. Like he's like a promo man. His biggest success was convincing Constellation Brand to invest into Canopy. If it wasn't for that, Canopy stock, Canopy would not be trading at a $6 billion valuation. Canopy would, a lot of people would come out and say Canopy is going bankrupt, but because of Constellation Brand, they did. And if there was no Constellation Brand as a big investor that put $1 billion into Canopy, Canopy wouldn't, Canopy would be bankrupt right now. Like literally, the drinks are gonna fail, the chocolates are gonna fail. They are, in general, the company will fail, in my opinion, if it wasn't for the $5 billion of investment that Constellation Brand gave it to them. And Bruce Linton got fired from Canopy. He got fired from Vero. Obviously, as a business person, he's not good. As a promo man, he's awesome. He's awesome. Everyone loves him as a promo man. He's not as good as Cam Batley, but he's still not bad. I mean, Cam Batley's way better, but yeah, that's just my opinion. So, like I said, this is the factory. As you can see, they have a lot of drinks going. You can just see huge amount of inventory, huge amount of drinks. These machines are gonna fill all these cans, and they're gonna put them in pallets, and they're gonna store them for years and years because no one's gonna buy them. At least that's my opinion. Like I said, I haven't tried all the drinks yet. I still haven't tried Deep Space, but I think MJ drinks are gonna fail in general. But again, that's my opinion. Anyways, I hope this has been 12 minutes. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day.